Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was an enchanted kingdom that blossomed with flowers and magic all year round. Deep in the rosy woods, where ancient treetops kiss the heavens above, there was a dreamy cottage surrounded by woodland angels, falling rose petals, and fairy wrens, sweet, never-ending melodies. And on this very special day, the kings and queens of the forest gathered for a royal welcome of the Rose Princess. Lila, my dear, you want to play in the garden? Oh, well, I guess we'll save the story for another time. Hi, I'm Liana Rose, and welcome to the Land of Lavish.
Heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you?
You told me 5 years ago that I'd be sitting here in my home sweet home in the forest. I would not believe you, but I'm here and I'm so very excited to share some dreamy home decor with you today. Where shall we start? I'll first begin with this ethereal vintage birdcage that I'll store any precious letters or wishes inside, and I think it will look heavenly adorned with flowers too. Okay, next is probably my favorite piece. Look at it. Here we are. Okay. It is this beautiful, oh my gosh, it is this piece signed by Shabby Chic by Rachel Ashwell, and it's the first thing I see when I wake up in the morning. Oh, it has doves on it. From an online boutique beholden, I found many royally beautiful pieces, like this fairytale mirror for my vanity. It looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. I'll treasure it dearly. Also, this baroque mirror tray to display little trinkets, jewels or perfume. And lastly, these little petite hanging vases for blossoms. Aren't they so pretty? I just picked these today from my garden. You can hang them. My dream for this cottage is to make it feel like an airy fairy princess angel heaven in the clouds. I think home should be a place where your soul can be at ease and where magic can be found in every twist and turn. With that being said, my heart danced when I stumbled upon this ginormous print featuring words by Roald Dahl. And above all, watch with glittering eyes the whole world around you, because the greatest secrets are always hidden in the most unlikely places. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Isn't that wonderful? Oh my goodness, so bunny decor melts my heart, and it was meant to be when I found these whimsical watercolored pillows by a brand called Craftberry Bush. On top of a mountain here, there's this little hill where wild bunnies frolic, and this reminds me of them. Next was a present from someone dear to me, and it's what angel dreams are made of. Look at this little vase, and she has wings and a rose. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's by an Australian brand called Murray Gray. At a village store nearby, I found this joyful and sweet Peter Rabbit tea towel. It's just so pretty, you'll have to frame it. Enjoy the little things in life, for one day you'll look back and realize they were big things. For some glamour, I got these crystal perfume bottles from Bed Bath & Table. Oh, how beautiful! And lastly, for this dreamy fairy tale chantal, I have these pretty dreamcatchers for the sweetest of dreams. These are from Minnehaha. Oh, pretty. This is for me, and this is for Rose.
She drew the hallelujah.
That was all the fairy tale bits and bobs that I wanted to share with you today. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I'd love to hear if you have any decor sessions that melt your heart, like butterflies or angel wings. And I wanted to take a little moment to say thank you to the moon and back for being the most sweet, kind, supportive, and beautiful-hearted princes and princesses of all. And lastly, I wanted to say that you must always remember to have trust in your dreams. Never let anyone or anything take you away from your true heart's desires. You are more powerful than you could ever know. And I believe in you, so shine your little light, and may the butterflies lead you to everlasting wonder. And until next time, stay magical.
Not someone who sees the light, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah.
And her heart flowered and flowered as she made her way to fairyland, where dreams may go and roses grow, where treetops kiss the sky.